Hey you, yeah, you. If you're a teen trying to feel more energetic, clear-headed, confident, or just healthier overall, this video is for you. You already deal with enough pressure, school, social life, emotions, hormones, body changes, and on top of all that, you're expected to figure out what's healthy to eat. The truth is, there are common foods that are secretly messing with your body, your focus, your mood, even your skin. And they're often labeled as normal or fine in moderation. But don't worry. I'm not here to guilt trip you. I'm here to show you what's going on inside your body and how to make smarter swaps that actually taste good. Well, my friends, I am Jyoti, a psychology wellness educator and a physiotherapist. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. But it's not okay to act the same way always. Let's go, ready, steady, go. Section 1, Ultra-processed snacks. So, my lovely boys and girls, you beautiful teenagers, let's start with something we've all reached for: chips, snack cakes, packaged cookies, and instant noodles. These ultra-processed snacks are designed to be addictive. They hit you with the perfect mix of salt, sugar, and fat, but give your body almost nothing in return. Why it's a problem? These foods are low in fiber and nutrients. They spike your blood sugar, which crashes later, leaving you tired, irritable, or craving more junk. They cause inflammation, which is linked to acne, fatigue, and brain fog. A 2019 study in BMJ, British Medical Journal, linked high intake of ultra-processed food to increased risk of depression and poor sleep, two things teens already struggle with enough. Real-life example? Ever feel super snacky after school and scarf down a bag of chips, then feel tired and cranky by 6 p.m.? That's your body reacting to empty fuel. What to eat instead? Swap chips for air-popped popcorn with olive oil and seasoning. Try trail mix with nuts and dried fruit. What's the added sugar? Keep cut-up fruit or veggies like baby carrots or apple slices nearby. These give your body fuel it can actually use for energy, focus, and even clearer skin. Now we come to sugary drinks. Next up, sugary drinks. This includes soda, sweetened iced tea, fruity energy drinks, and yes, some of those healthy smoothies and juices from the store. Here's why they're sneaky. They're full of added sugars, but don't make you feel full. They spike insulin, which affects how your body stores fat and regulates energy. They overload your liver, especially when consumed daily. Did you know? One 500 milliliters bottle of soda can have 12 teaspoons of sugar. That's almost double the daily limit recommended by the World Health Organization for teens. What to drink instead? Try infused water, add lemon, mint, cucumber, or berries. Unsweetened iced herbal teas like hibiscus or peppermint. Or make your own smoothie with whole fruits, yogurt, and no added sugar. You'll still get the flavor, but without the crash and long-term damage. Third, let's come to desserts as meals that you love consuming. Oops! Now let's start with your breakfast for a second. If your first meal is frosted cereal, toaster pastries, or flavored yogurt loaded with sugar, you're starting your day with what's basically dessert. And yeah, it might feel good for a few minutes. But within an hour or two, you'll feel hungry, distracted, or even anxious. Why? Your brain needs steady fuel, not a sugar spike followed by a crash. According to a 2021 study in Frontiers in Psychology, teens who eat high-sugar breakfasts show more mood swings and trouble concentrating in class. Better options: oatmeal with banana and peanut butter. A slice of whole grain toast with eggs or avocado. Plain yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey. Real food. Real energy. Real confidence. Congratulations, my gorgeous friends. We've just scratched the surface, and if any of this made you think, wow, I had no idea, that's a good thing. Awareness is power. Now let's talk about what food group secretly steals your focus and energy. The best brain foods for school, sports, and mood. And how to build a plate that actually supports your growing body. So hit subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and stick around. You're not just learning how to eat better, you're learning how to take care of you. Flexed biceps. Too much processed meat. Let's talk about processed meats, like pepperoni, hot dogs, sausages, bacon, or those deli sandwich slices. Sure, they're easy, tasty, and often part of school lunches or after-school snacks. But here's the downside, these meats are usually high in sodium, saturated fats, and chemical preservatives like nitrates. These additives can increase inflammation in your body, put strain on your heart and blood vessels, even at a young age. And some studies even link high intake of processed meats with higher risks of digestive issues and fatigue. A 2018 study in the Lancet Public Health showed that teens who regularly ate processed meats had lower cardiovascular health scores than those who didn't. What to eat instead? Go for grilled chicken, boiled eggs, tuna, or even plant-based proteins like tofu or chickpeas in wraps and sandwiches. Try making your own snack packs with nuts, fruit, and a hard-boiled egg or hummus and veggies. You don't have to be vegan to reduce meat, just make smarter choices when you can. Fifth, foods that drain your focus 5:41 to 6:30. Here's something nobody tells you enough, your brain is still developing in your teen years, and what you eat directly affects how well it works. Foods that are low in nutrients and high in sugar or trans fats, like fried foods, soda, and candy, slow down the brain's ability to process information, stay focused, and manage emotions. A review in the Journal of Adolescent Health found that teens who ate H. Let me say again. Foods that are low in nutrients and high in sugar or trans fats, like fried foods, soda, and candy, slow down the brain's ability to process information, stay focused, and manage emotions. A review in the Journal of Adolescent Health found that teens who ate high amounts of junk food had more difficulty with memory, decision-making, and even mood regulation. But here's the good news. You can sharpen your brain power with foods that are high in omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamins like B12, iron, and magnesium. Try salmon or tuna. Berries, blueberries, strawberries. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. Dark leafy greens like spinach in a smoothie or wrap. And yes, dark chocolate in small amounts is great for focus too. And lastly, we talk about building a teen fueling plate 6:31 to 7:30. So how do you put all this together? Here's a super simple way to build a teen fueling plate that helps you feel more energized, focused, and emotionally balanced. Think, 3 simple pieces. Protein to build and repair your growing body. Chicken, eggs, tofu, beans, Greek yogurt. Fiber-rich carbs for energy that lasts. Brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes, whole grain bread. Healthy fats and veggies for your brain, heart, and hormones. Avocado, nuts, olive oil, spinach, bell peppers. So, here we go, my buddies. In the end, let me tell you a hard truth, nobody eats perfectly. And you don't need to. But once you understand what your body really needs and how some foods mess with your energy, your sleep, or your skin, it gets easier to make smarter choices. So next time you're reaching for a snack, ask, will this fuel me, or will this drain me? If this video guide helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and share this with a friend who's trying to get their health right. And in the comments, tell me, what food swap are you going to try this week? You've got this, and your body will thank you. Subscribe for our next video. Ciao for now. Bye.